Oh, sorry, didn't see you there. Hey kids viewers, this is your pog little girl, and today my mom let me play with my lunch. So, I'm using bird's eye steamed vegetables and a few cherry tomatoes to make a vegetable and fruit art palette. So, there are broccoli, green beans and peas, carrots, baked corn, and corn kernels, and cherry tomatoes. And this all looks really good. So I'm going to stop painting and start eating. It is really good. Alrighty, and now if you'll excuse me, I have to go paint my stomach. Bye-bye.